Hey there, Genius Junkies! Welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how students can use Canva to create amazing projects. Let's get started. Canva is a powerful tool for students to create visually appealing projects. Whether it's a poster, presentation, or infographic, Canva makes it easy and fun. First, let's explore Canva's poster templates. Posters are great for showcasing information in a visually appealing way. Search for poster templates in Canva's template library. Choose a design that fits your project. You can customize it with your own text, images, and colors. Presentation templates. Next, let's create a presentation. Canva has beautiful presentation templates that will make your slides stand out. Search for presentation templates and select one you like. Customize the slides with your content, images, and even videos. Canva's tools make it easy to create a professional-looking presentation. Infographic templates. Now, let's design an infographic. Infographics are perfect for displaying data and information in a clear and engaging way. Look for infographic templates and pick one that fits your topic. You can add charts, icons, and images to make your data easy to understand and visually appealing. Changing fonts and colors. Don't forget to experiment with fonts and colors. The right fonts and colors can make your project more readable and attractive. Choose fonts that are easy to read and match the theme of your project. Use colors that complement each other and highlight important information. Adjusting alignment and spacing. Lastly, make sure everything is aligned and spaced properly. A well-organized project is key to effective communication. Use Canva's alignment tools to ensure everything is perfectly spaced and aligned. This makes your project look professional and easy to follow. And there you have it. Your student project is ready to impress your teachers and classmates. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Genius Junkie, and hit the bell icon for more awesome design tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.